Hello, little wonder. Today I'm drawing Bluey holding a feather so fine, soft and gentle. It shimmers in line. As we wait for the drawing to slowly appear, I'll weave a story warm and clear. But before this feather tale takes flight, like this video and subscribe my channel, so Bluey's magic can shine each night. Tell me, have you ever tickled your cheek with a feather so light? The air today feels calm and sweet, a golden glow beneath Bluey's feet. She found a feather, silver and blue, shining softly like morning dew. She twirled it high, then let it fall, watching it dance so gentle, so small. Bluey whispered, "Feather, let's play. You'll float with me in a bright ballet." She spun around with joyful cheer. The feather brushed her floppy ear. "Can you stretch your arms out wide? Pretend the feather floats by your side?" The grass was soft. The breeze was near. Bingo came smiling, holding it dear. "Can I try?" Bingo said with a grin. "Of course," Bluey laughed. "Let the fun begin." If this playful sharing makes you smile so well, like this video and subscribe my channel, so more Bluey stories can ring like a bell. Bluey and Bingo giggled with glee. The feather danced like it wanted to flee. "Catch it quick," said Bluey with delight. "I'll flap my arms like a bird in flight." "Me too," cried Bingo, leaping so high. Their laughter echoed under the sky. "Feather, feather, don't fly away. Stay with us. Come join our play." Bingo tapped her nose with a rhyme. Bluey clapped hands in perfect time. "Can you clap 3 times right now, just like Bluey did pow, pow, pow?" At last the feather drifted down, settling gently without a sound. Bluey held it close, soft and neat, a treasure found beneath her feet. She whispered, "Thank you, feather friend. Our game is done, but joy won't end." The sun grew warm, the shade grew kind. Bluey rested with peace in mind. Bingo leaned in, eyes full of glow. "Tomorrow," she said, "we'll let it go. Can you imagine letting it soar, the feather flying forevermore?" So here we pause, my dear, tonight, with feather dreams so soft, so light. Bluey waves, her story is through, but promises more adventures for you. If you want these tales to always flow, like this video and subscribe my channel, so Bluey's wonders will always grow. Now close your eyes, drift gentle, deep. Bluey will visit in every sleep.